Okay, so I just wanted to make a quick video going over my profit and loss from TEFS and TradeNet in the last 2 weeks. You can see I traded about 11 times and 7 out of those 11 were profitable. So that gives me about a 64% win rate, and while that may seem kind of low, if you know the trading world, a 64% win rate is actually pretty decent, and it's definitely something I can profit with. Preferably, obviously, I'd like to get my win rate up to say 85%, 80%, but a 64% win rate is definitely acceptable to me. Another thing to look at is my gross profit. That was around $60, but when you take into account that I was only using on average 110 shares, that gives me about a 54 cents per share gain on those 2 weeks. And while that may seem like a small amount, to put that into perspective, if I would have used 1,000 shares on average, that would have produced $540 in gains in those past 2 weeks. Another thing to take from this chart is that my winners are much larger than my losers. That shows me that I'm using pretty good risk to reward ratios, and that's definitely something I'm happy with. My net profit compared to my gross profit is still pretty low. That just goes to show I have to use larger sizing. I've been doing pretty well with it in the last few weeks, slowly upping my sizing, but I really would like to get to around 300 to 400 shares in the next few weeks, just so my net profit will more closely reflect my gross profit. You can also see that my trading has gotten better week after week. This P&L from this week is missing today's trade, but if you include that, I had 3 out of 4 profitable trades and 75% accuracy. My gross profit is actually decent as well at $50, but my net profit is actually much better than before at $34 even. And so yeah, it's definitely time to use bigger sizing. Hopefully I can scale my way up a little bit more in the upcoming weeks and take some bigger gains out of the market. Also, if you're interested in signing up for TradeNet, they do have a sale going on, I think until August 23rd. You get 20% off a TradeNet package, and so I'll post that link in the description of this video. I do make a small commission from it, but if you want to help support this channel, you can go through that link. Anyways guys, that's it for this video. If you want to watch me day trade live, make sure you join us right here on YouTube every weekday morning starting at 8:45 a.m. market time. I review what's moving in pre-market first, and then I day trade my small accounts live on stream right here. And so I'll see everyone Monday morning for our live stream. Good luck in the markets, and thanks for watching guys.